Okay, I'm going to show you how to build up your inventory items one by one as an order comes in so that you only have to do it once. And the artwork, the print SKU, the variations all come in every single time that item is ordered from then on. All right, let's just get started because it's easier to show you than to explain it. All right, go right into this order here. Okay, so what we do have in this metadata is we have the image, which is hosted here. So we can see this image because this is here. Um, if you have an Amazon order or a Shopify order, this image doesn't come in. So I can show you how to do that as well. What we're going to do is we're going to open up a second screen. I'm going to copy this first. Copy this. I'm going to go into inventory items. Now I'm going to be on this screen. I'm going to add a print on demand item. Okay. Paste the item name here. I'm going to take the item SKU, which is here, just this here. And I'm going to paste it here. Select the printer, it's CustomHappy. You can choose either of these, doesn't matter. The part number, what is the part number? Well, it is an 11-ounce white. You can see that here. So what I'm going to do, because I already know the SKU, or the part number, part SKU, I'm going to add that here. You can get that from this list here, and it is the CustomHappy print on demand price list. You can find all of that information on here. Okay, but I already know it, so I'm going to do that. Now, what's the print URL? Let's go back here. It doesn't have one yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take any art file for this particular order. Let's just take this one. I'm going to upload it because this is, or pretend this is the right art file. I'm going to make sure that I've selected the right item, which is this item. Then I'm going to upload it. Okay, screen will refresh, and then we'll open this back up and we can see that I have the print URL. Okay. Now I'm going to take this print URL. Then I am going to go back to this screen. I'm going to drop it in here. If it was a double-sided, I would click this and I would grab the second side if the artwork was different from here. If the artwork is not different from this, don't worry about it. We're going to print both sides anyways because that's what we automatically do. I'm going to add the item, and it takes me back to this screen. I'm just going to go back into inventory items, and I'm going to find this item. All right, I need to do a couple of things here. It's already got the variation, but just in case, I don't know, it doesn't have it, you'll write here. You'll write style. I always put style. You could put product. You could put style. You could put size. You could put any number of things. But just as it has to say first style or product or whatever, and then you put what it is, 11-ounce white mug. Okay. Now we've got the print SKU, we've got the print URL. If I wanted to get the image file, because it wasn't there, how would I do that? Well, I would go into, so if it was an Amazon order, for instance, you would click this Amazon link that would be here, and then you would make sure that you had the actual JPEG file, and I'll show you what it is as soon as I can in the inventory items. This is the actual JPEG file. See, it's got a .jpg or a PNG or whatever they're calling it. You'd want to add that. Make sure you grab that. With Amazon, you're going to have to right-click, open file in new, or open picture in new tab That's what you're going to want to do with that. And I can, on another video, show you more specifically how to do that. But then you would add the image file, so all of the information would come in. You can put the weight if you'd like. This is an 11-ounce mug, so I know that it's 0.81. If it's a 15 ounce, it's 0.88. You can put your cost, which is going to be, I believe, $9.90. That's just for your profit and loss reports. If you wanted to get that into the minutia, you don't have to. Okay. For now, I'm happy with this stuff, so I'm gonna save changes. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back into here. Let's find that true crime mug. And that would be here. Okay. And that information's still not here that I put in there. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and I'm going to sync the item details with the inventory information that I've put in there. Okay. And look what we have. Style 11-ounce white mug. We've got the print SKU. We've got the inventory location. Of course, we've got this information which was already there. But if it wasn't, it would have been uploaded to there. All right. So there we have it. That's how you add an inventory item.